Greetings everyone. I am Dr. Ahmed Masood Khan, an assistant professor specializing in biodiversity and environmental studies at the Department of Wildlife Sciences, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. Through my teaching and research, I am dedicated to fostering a deeper understanding of biodiversity and contributing to the conservation of our natural world. Today, I am going to discuss about how animals and plants interact in nature. First, I will talk about food chains and food webs, basically who eats whom in the wild. Then I will explore ecological pyramids, which show us how energy flows through these relationships. After that, I will discuss how biologists categorize living things. Ever wondered why your pet cat and a lion are different but kinda similar? That's where the concept of genus and species comes in. And of course, I will discuss about where these creatures live, their habitats. So, get ready for a fun and informative journey into the basics of nature's web. Ecology, the scientific study of the interaction between organisms and their environment, provides a comprehensive understanding of the intricate web of life on Earth. Several fundamental concepts govern the dynamics of ecosystem, including the food chain, food web, ecological pyramids, genus, species, and habitat. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into each of these concepts to unravel the delicate balance of nature. A food chain is a linear representation of the transfer of energy and nutrients through a series of organisms in an ecosystem. It starts with producers, usually plants or algae, which harness solar energy through photosynthesis. The subsequent trophic levels include primary consumers, herbivores, secondary consumers, carnivores or omnivores, and tertiary consumers, top predators. The progression of food or energy within trophic level is regulated by the 10% law as proposed by Raymond Lindman in 1942. This principle dictates that during the transmission of energy from one trophic level to the succeeding one, approximately 10% of the energy derived from organic substances becomes stored within the organism. In a sense, this concept underscores the efficiency and limitation in the transfer and accumulation of energy as it traverses through different levels of a food chain. The ecological significance of the 10% law is paramount as it assumes a central role in comprehending and foreseeing the intricate energy dynamics within ecosystems. By offering valuable insights into the efficiency and constant governing the flow of energy in food chains, this principle becomes instrumental in shaping the overall balance of ecological systems. Understanding how only about 10% of energy is retained at each trophic level sheds light on the sustainable functioning of ecosystems, influencing the delicate equilibrium between organisms and their environments. This knowledge not only aids in unraveling the complexities of energy transfer, but also holds implication for ecological conservation and management practices. The food chain, a dynamic process of energy transfer in ecosystems, unfolds through distinct trophic levels, each with its unique role. At the foundation are the producers, essential in kick starting this journey by converting sunlight into chemical energy through photosynthesis. This synthesized energy is then seamlessly passed on to primary consumers, predominantly herbivores, which directly feed on the producers, extracting vital nutrients. As we ascend the trophic levels, we encounter secondary consumers, carnivores or omnivores, who consume the primary consumers, further amplifying the flow of energy up the food chain. At the pinnacle of this ecological hierarchy stand the tertiary consumers, apex predators that occupy the highest trophic level, completing the intricate dance of energy transfer by preying on secondary consumers. Each trophic level plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance within ecosystems, showcasing the interconnectedness of all living organisms. In ecological dynamics, a food web emerges as a sophisticated and interconnected system that transcends the simplicity of individual food chains within an ecosystem. These complex networks serve as a vivid illustration of the multifaceted interactions among organisms and the intricacy of their dietary relationships. Unlike the linear structure of a food chain, a food web paints a more accurate and dynamic picture of ecosystems, capturing the diverse pathways through which energy and nutrient flow. The intricacies of these interwoven relationships highlight the dynamic nature of ecological systems, emphasizing the need to move beyond linear perspectives and recognize the comprehensive complexity inherent in the web of life. The importance of keystone species becomes evident in maintaining the integrity of a food web. As highlighted in the initial segment, these species act as a linchpin crucial for holding the intricate structure together. The removal of a keystone species, as emphasized, has far-reaching consequences, setting off a chain reaction that disrupt the delicate equilibrium of the entire ecosystem. Moving on to biodiversity and stability, the diversity of a species within a food web is described as a key contributor to the overall stability and resilience of an ecosystem. The various interactions among species, from competition to predation and mutualism, intricately shape the functionality of a food webs, showcasing the interconnected nature of life within the system. However, the intricate balance within food web faces threats from human activities. Anthropogenic action such as habitat destruction, pollution have the potential to disturb the delicate web of interactions. Understanding the repercussions of these human-induced disruption is essential for sustainable ecosystem management, underscoring the responsibility we bear in preserving the intricate balance within food webs for the well-being of our planet. Ecological pyramids, a captivating exploration into the dynamic structure that illuminate the flow of energy and relationship within ecosystems. Ecological pyramids comprising the pyramid of energy, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of numbers serve as a visual windows into the intricate balance of nature. In our today's lecture, we will unravel the mysteries of these pyramids, each telling a unique tale of energy transfer, biomass quantification, and numerical abundance across traffic levels. As we delve into these pyramids, we will discover the universal principle of energy diminishing as it ascends through the food chain and explore how the mass and numbers of living organisms shape ecological landscape. The pyramid of energy stands as a visual representation of the flow of energy through trophic levels in an ecosystem, offering profound insights into the dynamics of energy transfer. As its core, this pyramid illustrates the decrease in available energy as it ascends through the food chain, reflecting the inherent inefficiencies in the conversion and utilization of energy by organisms. The pyramid emphasizes a fundamental ecological principle. Only about 10% of energy is transferred to each successive trophic level. This concept unveils the critical role of primary producers in harnessing energy from the sun through photosynthesis and underscores the diminishing availability of energy as it moves through herbivores to carnivores. The pyramid of energy serve as a foundational tool for understanding the energy dynamics that govern ecosystem, revealing the intricate balance required for the sustenance of life within these complex ecological systems. The pyramid of biomass provides a visual snapshot of the total mass of living organism at each trophic level within an ecosystem, offering crucial insights into the distribution of biological material. As we ascend the pyramid from producers to consumers, the biomass progressively decreases, symbolizing the inevitable loss of energy in the transfer between trophic levels. This pyramid emphasizes the significance of biomass as an indicator of the quantity of living matter, showcasing the foundational role of primary producers and the subsequent reduction in mass as energy moves through herbivores and carnivores. In essence, the pyramid of biomass serve as a powerful tool for understanding the efficiency and dynamics of energy transfer within ecosystems, highlighting the fundamental interdependence of all living organisms within intricate web of life. The pyramid of numbers offers a visual depiction of the numerical abundance of organisms at each trophic level within an ecosystem, providing essential insights into population structures. This pyramid represents a fundamental aspects of ecological relationships, showcasing the distribution of individuals across different levels of the food chain. While it typically follows an upright shape, indicating a decrease in the number of organisms as one moves up the trophic levels. It can adopt a inverted structure in unique scenarios. This inversion occurs when the size of organism at lower trophic level is small but their number are significant. The pyramid of numbers, therefore, serve as a valuable tool for understanding the relative abundance of species within ecological communities, shedding light on the intricate patterns of population dynamics and the relationships that shape the biodiversity of ecosystems. The process of classifying living organism is a hierarchical endeavor essential for organizing the vast diversity of life on Earth. This biological classification system, ranging from the all-encompassing domain to the specific species, provides a structured framework for understanding the relationships among organisms. At the heart of this system is the concept of genus and species, which forms the backbone of binomial nomenclature, the universally adopted scientific naming system. A genus signifies a collection of closely related species that share a common characteristics, forming a distinctive group within the broader classification. On the other hand, a species comprises individuals capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring, representing the fundamental unit of biological diversity. This classification not only aids scientists in systematically cataloging the natural world, but also serve as a cornerstone for communication and understanding in the vast realm of life sciences. The importance of scientific naming, epitomized by the ingenious system of binomial nomenclature introduced by Carl Linnaeus, cannot be overstated. This method provides a universal and standardized approach for naming and identifying organisms, streamlining communication within the scientific community. By assigning each organism a unique two-part scientific name comprising genus and species, the potential for confusion stemming from regional, linguistic variation in common names is significantly reduced. This clarity in nomenclature facilitates precise identification and ensures consistent communication about the diverse life forms. The hierarchical structure of biological classification from kingdom to species further enhances the systematic organization of living organisms. This system not only aids scientists in their research but also serve as a vital tool for educators, conservationists, and anyone engaged in the study and understanding of the intricate tapestry of life on our planet. The concept of genus and species, exemplified by the given biological names Panthera tigris, Panthera leo, Panthera pardus, Panthera ansea, illustrate the hierarchical classification system used in biological taxonomy. In this system, Panthera serve as the genus, representing a group of closely related big cats sharing common characteristics. The second part of each name, such as Tigris, Leo, Pardus, and Ansia, designates the specific species within the Panthera genus. Each species represents a distinct and reproductively isolated group of individuals capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring. Therefore, the combination of genus and species provides a precise and universally recognized label highlighting the unique identity and evolutionary relationships among these magnificent big cats, tiger, lion, leopard, and snow leopard, respectively. A habitat in ecological terms serve as the designated area where a specific animal or plant species calls home, providing the necessary resources for survival, analogous to an organism's home or address within its community. A habitat encompasses a dynamic space crucial for sustaining life within the intricate web of ecosystem. These habitats can vary significantly in size, ranging from modest ponds suitable for tadpoles to expansive forests that house majestic creatures like tigers. So, regardless of size, all habitats share a common requirement for four essential elements: food, water, cover, and sufficient space. These components are the lifeblood of a habitat, ensuring the well-being and vitality of the organism that call it home, emphasizing the intricate balance required for the diversity and sustainability of life within our natural world. So, we may conclude that the conceptual significance of food chain, food web, ecological pyramids, genus, species, and habitat lies at the core of unraveling the intricate complexity within ecosystems. Understanding these fundamental concepts is paramount for gaining profound insight into the interconnectedness of diverse life forms within natural environments. Beyond conceptual clarity, these ecological concepts find practical applications with far-reaching applications. They not only enhance comprehensions of the natural world, but also play a pivotal role in formulating informed conservation and management strategies. The application of these concepts is instrumental in the development of a sustainable practices, crucial for preserving biodiversity and maintaining ecological balance. Moreover, these concepts serve as a indispensable tools for guiding scientific exploration and study, underlining the pivotal role in fostering a harmonious and sustainable coexistence between humans and the environment. Thank you all for being such an attentive and vibrant audience. I look forward to more insightful interactions in the next lecture. Thank you all.